Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master, Natural Beauty Over 40. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to really improve facial symmetry by really doing some great tongue posture exercises. Another exercise for the cheekbone to really help the lower part of the face, and then the lymphatic drainage to finish off with. Now, first things first, if you like, you can use a little bit of facial cream or facial oil, basically for when we're doing the lymphatic drainage. So just applying just a couple of drops onto the fingers and then just gently apply all along the lower part of the facial area and also the masseter muscle here. And then just down by the side of the ears and the side of the neck. So what we're going to do to really help with particularly facial asymmetry, just where the jawline is, sometimes it can be because of posture, sometimes how we sleep. If we're sleeping on the side, we're pushing out our jawline, or even if we are actually chewing in a certain one side rather than the other. So we want to slightly fix this by doing almost a daily routine if you like. So first of things first, let's just massage just to really release any tension around the jawline and the masseter muscle here. So starting with above the jawline, just a nice round circular motion, just releasing any tight tension. And you want your face to be nice and relaxed, so no clenching of teeth. Then just really massage just down really between the ears and the jawline here. So now let's do a really great tongue posture. This will lift up the jawline and actually really help with face symmetry. And it's called mewing. It's really important. So you can do this all the time during the daytime. Just be mindful that to really get that tongue posture right and correct. So what you want to do, it's very simple and easy, is to take your tip of your tongue and place it behind your teeth. And then you just want to literally place the rest, almost like in a wave-like motion, the rest of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. This will instantly lift up the jawline and will also, because you're nice and flat and it's in the correct alignment, this will eventually also help that jawline and that face asymmetry. So let's just do this tongue posture. So taking the tongue to the roof of your mouth, the top, and then just flatten down. And when you're not talking, when you're not eating, if you can, be mindful to do this as much as you can to really help with face asymmetry. So once we've done some mewing, we're also going to do another great exercise. So I'm just taking my thumb here, and where the cheekbone is here, almost in the middle and just underneath, you just want to take that and then place your hands onto your forehead. You want your face nice and relaxed, and then we're going to open up the mouth, trying to keep it nice and straight, not as much as you can. And come back. And of course, if you can do this whilst you're looking in a mirror, you'll find this so much easier as well. So let's do this another 2 times, placing our thumbs under our cheekbone here, hands onto our forehead so we're not creating any fine lines and wrinkles. Let's open up the mouth again and just hold for 5 seconds. And come back. And obviously, if you do have any pain, please see your doctor and just go as far as you can without having any pain within the jawline. So again, placing our thumbs under our cheek, sorry, and again, just open our mouth. And gently release, and then just massage that out. Nice outwards motion, releasing any tension within the jawline area. And again, by doing these exercises, you can do these once or twice a day, and obviously with the mewing as well, which will really help with that face symmetry. So with the fingers now, I'm coming from the jawline, just coming upwards and just very gently gliding in an upwards motion. And we're doing some little bit of lymphatic drainage and removing toxins and waste, which is very close to the surface of the skin. And so by moving lymph, pushing it all to the side, Also slightly massaging again the big masseter muscle here as well, just loosening everything up. And then if you can just take your fingers and just glide down the side of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then behind the ears, again plenty of lymph nodes, and then with one hand at a time gliding down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone, and then on the other side. And then from our chin all the way down, we have some, just above our collarbone, we have some indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the lower part of the face and the jawline into the body, ready for elimination. So I hope you found today's video useful. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and please comment down below. Tell me what you thought about it, and please share it if you think it's going to be useful for somebody else. And also not to forget during the daytime to do that lovely, great mewing technique, which is fantastic. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.